my channel. I hope everyone is fine. And if you are new to my channel, you're also welcome. My name is Nancy. Please subscribe, share, and like my videos. And don't forget to put on your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you. So in today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to make this lovely cape top. So this is the fabric I worked with. It's a lace fabric, and I used 1.5 yard of this fabric. The length is by 45 inches. Here you can decide to use any fabric of your choice. It can be a crepe fabric, an Ankara fabric, or a lace fabric. So I'll start by folding this fabric into 2 equally as shown. So after folding properly, I'll fold over again as shown. Now I practically folded this into 4. The next thing I'll do is to turn it over this way, making sure that the fold opening is at this side as shown. For the essential measurement, the length of this cape is 21 inches. I'll show you how to determine the length of your client's cape using a mannequin. You place the tape at the center of the neck, making sure it rests on the shoulder properly. The length of this top is 21 inches. If you want it longer, you can use your desired length. At this angle, I'll place the tape this way, making sure that the starting point of the tape is at the edge. Then I'll mark the length of the cape. The length of the cape is actually 21 inches, but I added 1 inch, so that's giving me 22 inches for the hem allowance. Then I'll mark 22 inches as shown, making sure that the starting point of this tape still sticks to the end. Now I'll trace the line to make it visible. For the neck region, I'll start by marking out the neck width. Since this is for a smaller person, I'll take 3.5 inches. For a bigger person, you can take 4 inches for the neck width. For the neck depth, I'll go down by 4 inches depending on how deep you want the neck to be. Now I'll use a French curve to trace the neckline. Now I'll start by cutting out the hem line, and I'll also cut out the neckline. After trimming the neckline, make sure you notch the shoulder region as shown. Now I am almost done. The next thing I'll do is to secure both the neckline and the hemline. For the neckline, I'll use a bias tape to tape the neck all through. For the M-line, you can decide to use a bias tape to secure the M, but I'll be doing this without a bias tape by folding it half an inch and folding it further in by half an inch as shown. So when you open it up, it should look like this. From here, you should take this to the sewing machine to secure both the neckline and the M-line. Now I've secured both the M-line and also the neckline. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share and like my videos, and don't forget to put on your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching to the very end. Bye.